Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the Sea Lantern event in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to open up the event menu and this is about the event. It's called the Sea Lanterns of Sentiment and this is a limited time event and it will leave after 5 days, 10 hours. And basically guys, in this event, you'll be able to release sea lanterns at the lantern release point. So first, you need to buy the lantern from the Sea Lantern store right here. And you can choose the lantern that you like. You can also place this lantern on your house. You can also release it. And if you want to make a wish, you need to buy this Lotus Sea Lantern. You need to buy the recipe and then you can craft it on your workbench. And then I'm just going to buy this penguin blossoming love sea lantern and you will need 2000 golds. I'm going to purchase it. Okay, and after you purchase the lantern, you can go to the lantern release point. You can track it right here and you need to follow the sign and then you will arrive here and then you can release your lantern. Tap on this wishing sea lantern, but if you have the Lotus lantern, you can tap this icon. Okay, and then I'm going to release this blossoming lantern. Click on releasing into the sea. Okay, just like that. And you can also take a picture here guys, and it's beautiful. Oh, this is spot for taking picture. And if you see the Lotus lantern like this, you can read the wish. Okay, just like this. Okay guys, and that's all about the Sea Lantern event in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!